Hey guys, let me show you how to make this LD vegetable sauce that you can take with rice, yam, sweet potatoes, anything, just name it. So these are the ingredients we need. We need ugu leaves, also known as pumpkin leaves. If you can't get this where you are, you can use any vegetable of your choice. We need roasted mackerel fish. You can use any fish of your choice as well. This is just my favorite. We need some scotch bonnets and onions. We need some fresh tomatoes with seasoning cubes and salt. So I'll be using my food processor to blend the pepper, tomatoes, and onions because we want a roughly blended texture. You can use your blender or manual blender as well. Just make sure you don't add too much water and make sure it is roughly blended. So we are going to remove the leaves one by one from the stem like this. Then you wash it several times till the water is clean. Then you leave it to drain. Now in a clean pot, add in some palm oil. You can use vegetable oil as well. It depends on your choice. Then add in the pepper mix. Then add seasoning cube and salt. Give it a good mix. Then cover and let it fry on low heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Now back to our ugu. You select some in your hand like this and cut into tiny pieces. You can also use food processor to cut it, and if you are in Nigeria, you can do this from the market to save you from stress. This is how tiny it's going to look. Now we are going to debone the roasted fish. You remove the bone and the flesh. I don't like the flesh in my food. You can leave the flesh if you like it. Just make sure you remove the bone thoroughly and cut it into tiny pieces. Now you are going to rinse it. If you get it from the market, you need to rinse it. But if you roast it at home yourself, then I don't think there's any need for that. Then add it to the stew and mix together. Then cover and let it cook a bit. Now add the chopped ugu leaves. Mix it together thoroughly. You don't need to add water because it will bring out its own juice. But you can add a little water. Just make sure it's not watery. So you cover and let it cook for just 2 minutes. Then you turn off the heat. After 2 minutes, this is what we have. Our vegetable sauce is ready. You can take this vegetable sauce with rice, roasted plantain, yam, beans, sweet potatoes, anything. Just name it, anything. You can also take it with any swallow of your choice as well. It tastes really good and I'm sure you will love it. Thanks for stopping by.